Hello and welcome to another unboxing and review. Today we're going to review Glorious Model O mouse. This mouse is available from the manufacturer's site. I'll leave the link in the description. And it costs $49.99, and there are two versions, white and black. We will review the white version. There is also a smaller model, which is called Model O Small, and it is slightly more expensive with $59.99 US. Model O is dubbed the world's lightest RGB gaming mouse with only 67 grams weight. Thanks to its honeycomb shell, it is very light, and it will take getting some used to if you're used to using normal weight mouses. But not only the mouse is super lightweight, also the proprietary braided cable is ultra flexible and super lightweight, giving your mouse an almost wireless feel. Model O is driver-free mouse, and you can just connect it to your computer and it'll work. But if you want to customize the colors of the LED or set the DPI, you can just download software and set it up. So while it takes some getting used to, I think it's really nice and cool, looks great, and if you're a gamer, it's worth the try and worth every penny. So thanks for watching and see you next time. And if you like my video, please subscribe